Missionary Data was a young man, infatuated by the way the girl walked the stand. She held his hand with a feminine grip and wore Timberlands, and with an extra tight body couldn't help but glance. He had a plan to get her saved, but the wrong way. When at the crib they cuddled and stepped the night away, thinking it's cool for a minute they went by the rules. His horn and beam in the street got him playing the fool. She hit them up on the cell phone, she all alone, and told my dog to come through on his way home. He said alright, but he couldn't stay long. Greeted with a hug, no doubt the vibe was strong. He rested on the couch cause his work day was long. She played Joe to see with a short gown on, showing her backbone. Golly thought it didn't last long. She said the mood ain't right, he wasn't going home.
Missionary, he was a man on a mission. Eyes got sore and he lost all his vision. Dating a girl, trying to make her a Christian. Tried to bring her up, but he brought her down with him.
An hour passed by, just chilling at the crib. Her hand is resting on his chest, he's feeling blessed. Looking in the eyes, finesse with confidence. Thinking that it's cool just as long as he repents. Telling her nice things to give her nice dreams. Pretty boy style, jumping in the ugly things. With his eyes on sin, got his eyes on him. Staring at them pretty clothes, but she ain't rocking the Timbs. He's been trapped by the devil, now he's falling on them. The light is dim, she's giving action and throwing hints. Attractive, the type that you pray for and wait for. The type that will ask for things you can't afford. One thing led to another, now it's covers. Missionary Data turned artificial lover. Pleasing his flesh while his spirit's getting smothered. Putting Christ back on the cross to make him suffer.
Missionary, he was a man on a mission. Eyes got sore and he lost all his vision. Dating a girl, trying to make her a Christian. Tried to bring her up, but he brought her down with him.
Woke up before a day, great breath in his face. Feeling dirty like a lake full of garbage waste. On the left side of it was that pretty face. Looking peaceful in his sleep while he's feeling the pain. He was sucked up in two ways, mesmerized. He never thought that he would ever compromise in his thighs. Sitting on the edge of the bed, praying under his breath. Looking for a way to escape like Alcatraz. Hurry up, he got dressed, convicted and feeling vexed. He was hit like a marksman, brought cheap like a car at an auction. Now he's feeling like his former life a lost man, in a lost land. All from a touch, a little bit of lust. Missionary Data just messed the mission up. Dating a girl, trying to make her a Christian. Trying to bring her up, but he brought her down with him.
Missionary, he was a man on a mission. Eyes got sore and he lost all his vision. Dating a girl, trying to make